Welcome to Kundalini Breath Aerobics. Aerobics means to exercise in the presence of oxygen. Do you know that various forms of yogic breathing are more aerobic than aerobics? We're cutting out the middleman and delivering oxygen from our lungs right to our bloodstream. According to Kundalini Yoga, breath is the ultimate renewable resource. It's an energy delivery system. The yogis call it prana. When we increase our pranic bank account, we have energy left over for self-healing, creativity, and breakthroughs in our life. Come standing. We're going to walk in place. We're going to inhale as we bring our right hand to sternum, left knee up, and exhale down and reverse. Keep going. Press the down foot strongly into the floor to anchor you. Navel engaged. Lengthen your tailbone down. Inhale and relax, and immediately interlace your hands at collarbone level. Move your hands between your sternum and eyes to the rhythm of the breath of fire. If you don't know the breath of fire, check out our breath primer. We will link it below. We call this top of the mountain breath. Next time you're at the top of a mountain or at the ocean, this is a great way to get the city air out and the country air in. Give you new lungs.
Hush my head, I know you said I don't want to war about it. How to drive my peace of mind.
Breath of fire literally is more aerobic than aerobics. Now inhale, hold the breath as you pull your fingers slightly. And relax. Feel that your feet have roots and your skull has a skylight. Let heaven and earth conspire in you. Now have your little fingers curled under your thumbs. We're going to make big circles with our arms, doing breath of fire through a rounded mouth. Inhale deeply and relax and meditate as you stand. Feel buoyant and blessed. Now help yourself to the floor. Hold your shins. Inhale, hold the breath. And flex your spine. Move smoothly and flex at your own pace. Keep your sternum lifted and chin level. Still holding the breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center, exhale, inhale. Begin again, flex. Holding the breath. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center, exhale. Inhale, flex. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center, exhale. Inhale, flex. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center, exhale. Inhale, last one, flex. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center, exhale. Inhale and relax and meditate. That one will increase your vital capacity. According to Kundalini Yoga, you can work up to 11 minutes. Great work, everyone! If you like the vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.